Hey guys, welcome to Let's Go Catch Some Snaps. And today we're going to try to rig the faucet or the actual sprayer for the live well. And one of the problems that I was having, guys, is that if I try to put it down here, it's going to stay below the tank. So I'm going to have to build this piece right here that I just marked, that I'm going to cut, and in here I'm going to stick this pipe, right, and I'm going to cut off the valve, the valves and everything on it, so it fits perfect in there. So today we're going to be using the Makita, and I went and got two type of blades. I got the high carbonated steel jigsaw blade, and I also got, it's a fine finish blade, and I also got the carbide jigsaw. This is like a heavy duty steel, metal, thick metal type. So I'm going to see which one is the one that works better here, and let's get to work. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to do straight through. Okay guys, we finally cut the piece that we needed for here. Now we're going to stick it in here. See how well it looks in here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some of this off here in a minute, because I need this to be open here. So we're going to cut some of it, but I'm going to see where I'm going to stick the actual sprayer at. Stay tuned. Next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm marking off basically where the valves are going to be here, and I'm going to cut around those perimeters. Alright guys, let me show you what's going on with the live well. Alright, first of all, I started to cut the plexiglass to put it in where the valves were, but then I had to cut several pieces in order to get it to stay away from where the lid is. So anyway, I decided to go to Lowe's, and I found these pipe holders. So I bought them, and they bend to wherever direction you want, and this is a 1/2 inch tube. So I went ahead and I got the 1/2 inch one where it actually attaches right onto the spout here, right? And right now, as you can see, I could turn the valve freely here with no problem, no hesitation. And I'm actually using the screws that we had up here, just like this one, that I had no use for, that I would have to silicone later. So actually what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running the lights later on, once the bottom of I disconnected the bottom of the pump, and right now I used since I can't screw it to the bottom, what I did is I used Gorilla Weld heavy duty adhesive. Now I got to give it 24 hours for it to dry in there, and once it dries on there, then I'm going to connect the pump on there, bam, and do the electrical on it. Probably run the wires right up here and coming out of this hole here, and probably on this hole here we're going to install a light for the live well. So listen, stay tuned to Let's Go Catch Some Snaps as we get this live well ready for the great battle.